This video is sponsored by Notion. Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video we're going to be talking about pre-production, planning, and everything that goes into a photo shoot or a video shoot. I'm going to go through my workflow and show you some tips and tricks that have helped me along the way. Tonight's shoot is going to be a styled shoot with my buddy Cody, and I'm going with my friends Shaman and Jojo, and we're shooting Cinecell 800T mainly on film cameras with the use of some creative red light. Let's go ahead and head over to Shinjuku and I'll talk you through how I usually plan these shoots. Welcome. So now that we're on set, I want to talk a little bit about what I do that helps make my photo shoots go a lot smoother. One of the things I like to do is plan everything in advance that's going to happen on photo shoot day. So that's getting to location on time, setting a schedule, and then also making sure that you have your shot list as we're going to go through today. So today, obviously, we're going through the Notion app and I have a mood board that I've set up. For today's shoot, I've gone ahead and segmented it out. I've got the gear that both I should have brought and then Shimano should have brought. Today we're just shooting rolls of film. I'm shooting on the 35mm Nikon F5 and also the Mamiya 645 AFD. And I'm shooting Cinecell 800T, which is a great film to shoot at night. It really handles low light situations very well. Shaman's kind of working on a similar setup. He's got his own cameras that he's bringing. And then also we've got a light, a handheld Stella Pro light that we're gonna go ahead and strap on a red balloon, and we're gonna do some cool experimental photos. So besides the gear, I've gone ahead and segmented the mood board into a location list. And so what I've gone ahead and done is just selected a few locations that we've shot previously all along this area, just so that we have an idea and understanding of how we're gonna map out our shoot. And that way we'll know the locations that we should shoot as we're walking around the whole station. So after we got our location set, the most important part on this whole sort of mood board is the shot list. And so what I like to do is I like to keep a reminder of what I'm shooting for. So in this specific scenario, we're shooting a sort of carousel set. And now that Instagram has kind of changed the way that they post photos, we have to keep in mind that the photos can be posted at 9:16. And what I want to do is make a carousel set, maybe 8 or 9 images together, sort of in like a scrolling set. So just keeping that in mind when you're shooting for your final destination or your final asset delivery is really important when you're on set. Today we don't only have that many deliverables per se to a client, but I just like to have this just in case. This whole template I'll make available in the bio description below. So if you'd like to go ahead and download this and duplicate it and use it for your own shoots, feel free to. Make it so it's kind of easy to navigate and easy to replace with whatever you need to do. So what I've gone ahead and done is taken photos that I like to use for inspiration. And today, obviously, we have that red glow effect that we're trying to emulate. This is just for inspiration and to take as a basis onto what you're trying to develop. So I'll take these ideas and try to incorporate into the shoots that we're doing today. One of the things that you can do to make sure that you don't have to worry about too many things happening during the shoot is you go ahead and have a shot list, which helps you keep track of what you need at the end of the day. Make sure that, and it works if you have an assistant or a friend who's helping you on the photo shoot, they can go ahead and keep you on track of, have you gotten enough, let's say, headshots? Have you got enough wide shots? Have you got enough environmental shots? Do you have enough shots from this angle of this product? That sort of stuff. So it's really helpful to have this on set, and with the Notion mobile app, it's really great to be able to just pull it up, have the photos full screen, and not worry too much about trying to fiddle around with trying to figure out where, if I have this just saved in my Instagram sort of saves, then it's really hard to navigate sometimes, even if you have boards set up. But with the Notion app, it's really easy to go ahead and pull this up on set, and it makes everything easier. So let's get in the shoot.
Taking a little bit today, huh?
Slow down for the video. Yeah. So in total, we ended up shooting 2 rolls of medium format film and then 2 35mm rolls of Cinestill 800T, and we're really happy with how the photos came out. I think if you go ahead and look at our mood board and then compare it to the final images that we got, we sort of nailed the look or the atmosphere that we were going for. Some of my favorite photos were actually from this izakaya that we pulled into. We weren't planning this at all. We were sort of just roaming around to the locations that we had scouted, but we came across this place. We were hungry for dinner. We went ahead and pulled in, grabbed a drink, grabbed a few bites to eat, and at the same time, we're able to snap these photos. This is a good reminder that even though you can do as much planning or be as thorough in the pre-production, it's always great to have an open mind, and as you're on set, on location, or on the shoot or whatever you're doing, it's always great to go ahead and be flexible and find new spots, find new angles, things that you didn't write down, and try new things out. And yeah, it was a really, really fun shoot. I really appreciate Jojo and Shaman for helping me on the shoot, as well as Cody for modeling, and Notion for sponsoring this video. I've gone ahead and attached the template that I built for my mood boards that I use on almost every shoot down below. You can go ahead and open it, duplicate it, and use it as you would like for your own shoots. And of course, there's a link to Notion, the app. It's a great productivity tool. I use it with teams, with people that I shoot photos and videos for. It's great for organization, and it's something that I use on a daily basis. Really appreciate you watching until the end. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you guys in the next one.